Thinking about taking GLP-1 meds like Wegovy, Ozempic, or Trulicity for weight loss? Here are 3 things that you need to know before you take a GLP-1 or if you're already taking it. First up, these meds can help reduce your appetite, making it easier to eat less and maintain an energy deficit to see weight loss, but they're not a magic fix. Second, using GLP-1s without proper diet and exercise can compromise your muscle and metabolism. Up to 50% of the weight you lose could be coming from muscle, not fat. And because muscle burns 7 times as many calories as fat, the less muscle you have, the slower your metabolism. Unless you're very strategic with your diet and exercise, any weight you regain after stopping the medication is from fat, not muscle. Unfortunately, this reduced muscle makes whatever weight you lose harder to maintain. Third, they don't do the real work of weight loss, which is a change in your mindset and your overall lifestyle. They can be an aid or a jumpstart, but the cornerstone of any sustainable weight loss program must be lifestyle changes, but not just any lifestyle changes. A low insulin and inflammation lifestyle is the only way to lose weight, keep it off, and get healthy, which is the real goal, right? Not just losing weight. So we need to begin with that end in mind. As we age, especially as we go through menopause, key hormones drop like estrogen, testosterone, and human growth hormone, while cortisol and insulin rise, and this leads to insulin resistance. If you have stubborn belly fat, an A1C over 5.6, or high blood pressure, you could have insulin resistance, and weight loss medications alone will not be enough to fix it. Reversing insulin resistance and sustainable fat loss require true lifestyle changes that include proper sleep, stress management, strength training to preserve muscle, energy and blood sugar regulation, and a healthy high-protein diet. If you think that you have insulin resistance blocking weight loss, then definitely check out our Insulin Resistance Diet Blueprint. This 3-part video training series is the perfect start to lowering insulin resistance so that you can lose fat, build muscle, and improve your health. There's a link in the description to get this training. Aside from these essential lifestyle changes that we teach you in the blueprint, there is one more thing that you could do. Instead of expensive GLP-1 medications that can have uncomfortable side effects like nausea, vomiting, and fatigue, I recommend talking with your doctor about trying berberine first instead. Berberine is a natural supplement that helps address one of the root causes of insulin resistance, which is high blood sugars. And my top pick is Super Berberine by Sugar MD because it has dihydroberberine, which is a more bioavailable form of it, so that you can take a lower dose. And plus, they include highly concentrated Ceylon cinnamon in the supplement for an even greater blood sugar lowering effect. There's a link in the description to buy Super Berberine. I would love to hear from you in the comments if you are considering trying a GLP-1 or if you already have personal experience taking one of these medications. If you've tried one before, let me know, how did it help you? How did it hurt you? Did it have side effects? Was it effective? How long did you take it? How much did you spend on it? When you stopped taking it, did you regain the weight? I want to know all the details. So thank you in advance for watching this and sharing your experience with us in the comments.